Today we're going to be talking about slope, and slope is sometimes noted with the lowercase letter m when we talk about slope. So in math, when you see what is the slope, a lot of times we'll say m equals to represent slope. And the slope is always vertical change divided by the horizontal change, or vertical change over horizontal change, which we also tend to say a little bit shorter version of that is rise over run. And so a real world example of this, we have a wheelchair ramp here. And it says in this little text box, the Americans with Disabilities Act specifies that the maximum slope of a ramp in new construction shall be 1 to 12. That's our ratio. The maximum rise for any ramp shall be 30 inches. So we're trying to decide, does this ramp meet the ADA requirements, and explain that. So we're going to look at the wheelchair ramp here. And the first thing we're going to do is find the slope of this ramp. And remember that slope is the vertical change over horizontal change, or rise over run. So in this case, the vertical change is rising 2 feet. The horizontal change, the run of this, is 30 feet. And so then we just have to simplify. Anytime we have a fraction, we always want to simplify. 2 and 30 are both even, so 2 goes into both of them. So I'm going to divide top and bottom by 2, and when I do that, I get 1/15. So my slope is 1/15. Sometimes, again, we say that m equals 1/15. And what we're trying to decide is 1/15 bigger or smaller than 1/12. We know that 1/15 is less than 1/12. So the maximum slope is 1/12. So because this is smaller than that, we would say, yeah, it meets that requirement. And then the rise, maximum rise shall be 30 inches. So 2 feet, if we multiply by 12, is 24 inches. So the rise is less than 30. So this wheelchair ramp does meet requirements. Yes, because its slope is 1/15, which is less than 1/12, and it rises 24 inches, which is less than 30 inches. So today we're going to be talking about slope not only in the real world, but we're also going to be talking about slope in graphs. So when you open up, the first thing that we're going to talk about is some positive slope examples, and that's what we'll do in the next video, is look at those examples of positive slope.